All right, hello. This is going over number 14, test corrections for chapter 7 tests. Solving here, so we want to switch, this is log, so we want to switch it into the other form, right? So remember in log, we have our base, our value, and then our exponent. So we're just going to switch it. We're going to go base, and then exponent equals value. So for us, the base is 10, it's invisible 10. Right? And then the exponent is here. Log means find exponent. So I'm going to do 10 to the third equals the value of 7x plus 8. Okay, and so that's just my switch form step. I switch this statement into an equivalent form in exponential. Okay, now it's easier to find x because 10 to the third, it's got 3 zeros, right? And then just solve that. So minus 8 divide by 7. Okay, and we get, I think it's like 141 point something. We just get 141.71. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.